My Kids Corporation presents How to Create a Web3 Wallet using MetaMask. Hey there, I'm so glad you decided to watch this video. This is where it all begins. Having a wallet is a fundamental aspect of the Web3 experience. It is vital. This great step that you are about to take will enable you to receive, send, create, and even collect items on the blockchain. Remember, hit like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Now, MetaMask is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and other compatible networks. But it is not the only wallet available. This guide will walk you through creating a MetaMask wallet. And don't forget to look below in the description for links on how to add the Polygon and Optimism networks. Now let's go through this step-by-step guide and create a MetaMask wallet. 1. Download MetaMask. Visit the MetaMask website, metamask.io, and download the browser extension or the mobile app. Click the download button. Choose your operating system. Scroll down and click Install. If you are using Chrome, you may want to pin your MetaMask wallet extension to the navigation bar. It will help you find it much easier later. Alright, now for step 2, create a new wallet. Once installed, open MetaMask and choose Create a Wallet. Agree to the terms of service. Optimally, you can choose to help improve MetaMask or decline. Create a strong password and securely store your seed phrase. This is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. Without this seed phrase, your wallet will be irretrievably lost. 3. Back up your seed phrase. MetaMask will generate a list of 12 random words. Write these down on paper and store them securely. Take a screenshot and photograph them as well. This is the My Kids Corporation 3-way safe method. So even if one set is lost, you still have 2 ways to retrieve your wallet. Remember, never ever share your seed phrase with anyone. And that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully created a wallet. We hope this video helped you create a brand new MetaMask wallet. This wallet is your first step on a whole new journey into Web3. Use it to create your dreams. Need to add other networks like Polygon or Optimism? Look in the description below for links to our videos that show you how, with step-by-step instructions. Keep learning. Visit us at mykidscorporation.com, where the fun never ends.